Once again, no prep on this video. Quecha.
Ah, Quecha, of course.
Decathlon, right? So these are supposedly self-inflating. Seems long enough.
How's it work?
These are the instructions. So open the end. And we leave it for a couple of minutes.
Can you see anything?
Self-inflating.
You said something about being able to zip them together?
There is a zipper on these, which is quite cool.
Alright.
There you go. And there you have a zipper. So what you can do is combine the two, make one long, one wide mattress, but I think it's more handy this way. At least this is how we're going to try and do it first.
Yeah, these boxes are quite handy because you can use them as storage as well. So that's got all of our bedding in.
Yeah, this is all the bedding. The other one's got some clothing. It's got some food in there. Yeah, this to try and keep everything neat and squared away. Give it a place. That's the worst part of camping in your car, obviously. Trying to find a space for everything, it just becomes a lot. Very cluttered very quickly. So here's the other one. Open the end.
Can you hear
that? Can you hear that?
No. Not with the road noise.
I can hear it.
It's quite wide. Cool.
So we'll
leave them a few minutes to come back.
We'll go to the advert section now, commercial break, and we'll come back and we'll see if it works.
What he really means is that it's beer time.
It's Miller's time too.
So, how are they looking?
Well, I gave them both about 5 breaths each into the inn.
Yeah?
And
well, they seem quite firm.
Yeah, that's not bad.
Oh, cool.
So now we can try and zip them together.
Yeah, cool. That's really clever. Boom. And the yoga mat can come out.
Oh, this is obviously. So yeah,
oh, cool.
Big enough.
Yeah.
That's not bad actually.
Yeah.
Well, long enough.
Yeah, cool.
Which is nice. We've got some other little backup ones. I'll show you this quickly.
This is so huge.
I mean, look, this is like no space at all.
These are backpacking mattresses, right?
Yeah, when you're trekking, I guess. Very small.
Oh, they're so cute.
Super thin.
That's amazing.
And yeah, it doesn't self-inflate. So you need to blow it up.
Yeah, blow him, my darling.
And you think, how many? That's going to take forever, right?
Okay. Really?
Watch.
Okay. Three, 4, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, that's pretty cool. 12 breaths. Okay, 13, 14. Wow, that's not bad.
So there's not much effort.
This is so cute.
Gives it a bit of padding.
Yeah.
Maybe put those under there.
Yeah, I think that'd be good to put it underneath the other ones, just give it that extra little bit of lifty air stuff. That's incredible.
Cool,
and which brand is this? Which make is this?
I have no idea. hang on. Some research I did earlier. Naturehike.
Naturehike. Cool.
Outdoors, inflatable sleeping pad. There you have it.
Very cool.
It's about 6 centimeters thick.
That's very clever.
And yeah, if you don't have much
Very
space.
clever. Gee, it folds into nothing.
And it's very easy.
And then that's a quick release valve or what?
That's actually the inflating bit. This is to empty it.
Right.
This is to blow it up.
Okay.
There you go. But there you have it. It's quite thick. Very clever design. So far it's inflated. We'll see how long it stays inflated.
That's awesome. And that's why I'm going to have to try it tonight as well, to see if it works.
Okay, fair enough. So we have two options, which is nice. Either one. This is a lot more compact. This folds up into...
That's incredible.
That.
You can't believe that.
Which I find rather
clever. That's very clever. Very clever.
The costs, this was...
teeny tiny.
Was it 10 euros? 15?
That's amazing.
The other ones are a little more expensive. They were 40 euros each.
Okay.
From Decathlon. But either way, you're making a trade-off between the ease of use, the thickness, and how much padding you get.
It's not bad actually. I can't feel my hip bones or butt bones or any other kind of bones on the wood, which is a good thing. There's still this problem, but I'm going with the insulation thing. I'm going with the whole big picture.
So here we have the Naturehike going underneath.
Yeah, you ready? Ooh. I feel like elevated. Okay, this is even less, but that actually does make a difference. That's not bad. Okay. I've got this side. You can sleep without tonight. Oh, they make such a difference. That's really cool. Okay, this is my version. I've got back problems, you see.
Yeah, I've got back problems too. Let me blow the other one up.
No, I'm impressed. Those two together are amazing. Makes a really big difference. Come in and try, dude. Wow. It makes a really big difference. And you can roll over into this side.
Wow.
It does make a difference, eh?
That's pretty cool, man.
It makes a difference, right?
Yeah.
Now, if you lie on this side that it doesn't have it,
okay, yeah, it makes a big difference.
it makes a big difference, huh?
You don't even need to blow it up that much, I think. Maybe even less, a little bit less.
And I'm happy with the way it is.
Wow.
That's a really big difference. I'm really impressed. I'm happy. Thumbs up from me.
Let's see you in the morning, man.
Good morning, people. Don't you love camping here? It's such fun. Last night was, I slept well enough, absolutely. But the blue mattresses are, I mean the pale blue mattresses are so hard. We've got a foam mattress at home which is you know, it's firm but it's still a bit soft. So my rib cage especially was complaining bitterly last night. But it's one of those pains that are more, it's a habitual thing that you could get used to it. It's not anything serious, but you just know that it's just uncomfortable, and if you needed to, you could get used to it.
Wasn't a bad night actually. We slept pretty well, I have to say. It's a very hard mattress, this, and the one underneath it as well. Actually, it doesn't really add to the cause, this one. Right, softer. So I think tonight we're going to let some air out of this, give it a bit more bounce. I think it was just too hard. It was comfortable enough. It's just your lower back when you're lying on your back is a little bit of an issue. Yeah, let us know your thoughts down below. Have you been camping in your car? Have you experienced a very small, simple camping setup, or trying to keep it really simple? Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Catch you on the next one, and keep rolling.